In this video, we introduce the key updates to Apex, simplified authorization, an enhanced lifting module with double chin correction, and a new option to export results into Photoshop as layered files. Authorization is now easier than ever. Simply choose to sign in through the website. The application automatically opens your account page, where you only need to approve the login. The entire process takes just a few seconds. The lifting module has received a major upgrade. It now includes a double chin correction feature designed to gently refine the jawline and improve facial proportions while maintaining a natural look. To use it, simply open the lifting settings and adjust the double chin correction slider. The changes are applied instantly, making it easy to achieve a subtle, flattering result. After the initial correction, you can continue the retouching process using all the other tools inside Apex. Apex also introduces a new way to save retouching results in Photoshop as layered files. These are the key improvements in the updated Apex. Update to the latest version now and explore all the new features yourself. Don't wait. Start enhancing your workflow today.